Hyderabad-based Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Russia's sovereign wealth fund, Russian Direct Investment Fund, have joined hands to carry out clinical trials and distribution of 100 million doses of coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V in India. Sputnik V vaccine is undergoing final stage clinical trials in Russia. It is also being tested in several other countries. Deliveries could potentially begin in late 2020 subject to completion of successful trials and registration of the vaccine by regulatory authorities in India. The surge in demand for bicycles in the post-pandemic period in India has led to premium bicycle manufacturers scrambling to increase supplies and launch new products. Premium bicycle maker Scott Sports India on Wednesday introduced a full suspension cross-country bicycle Spark RC 900 at a whopping Rs 3.7 lakh. At a time when Indian economy faces its worst crisis due to coronavirus-led lockdown, above normal monsoon is likely to provide some respite to agriculture sector, which contributes nearly 17% of India's GDP and provides jobs to around 50% of the population. A report by CRISIL Research has said that monsoon rains were 7% above average this year, so far the best in 5 years, which led to 5.7% year-on-year jump in sowing of crops. Coronavirus infections in India surged past 5 million yesterday, piling pressure on hospitals grappling with unreliable supplies of oxygen that they need to treat tens of thousands of critical patients. In the big states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh, some of the areas worst affected by the virus, demand for oxygen has more than tripled, doctors and government officials said, prompting urgent calls for help. Software engineers, physicians, teachers, accountants, analysts, among others, are the professionals who saw the biggest loss of jobs among salaried employees due to coronavirus lockdown since late March 2020. There was a loss of 121 million salaried jobs in April. However, recovery of most of these jobs was seen by August, but the condition of these jobs deteriorated over time, Centre for Monitoring Indian Economy has said. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das yesterday invoked the depositor interest and financial stability while defending the new time-bound loan restructuring scheme for select 26 COVID-impacted sectors, with the predefined threshold of financial ratios for resolution. Outlining the whole rationale and reasoning behind the restructuring scheme, the RBI Governor said it has to be a very balanced and careful call on the part of the RBI. He said that the primary concern of any banking system has to be the protection of depositors' interest.